the Funk Box Show.
You can dance too. We got a funk that
You, my friend, are here because you have a nasty little habit of biting your nails. And so do I. So I'm going to share with you 3 tips that worked for me. So stay tuned, and I hope you like this video. Okay, this one's going to be a little weird for some of you, because you're going to probably think, why would I put garlic in my mouth? You're not putting garlic in your mouth. What you're doing is you're painting your nails with a garlic flavored nail polish. The scent is actually supposed to deter you from having your hands in your mouth. You know, like you go in for a bite and then you realize that, you know what, I taste garlic, it's gross. This might be 100% effective for vampires, but probably not if you enjoy the taste of garlic, like me. There are other things you can add aside from garlic. For example, hot green peppers, but that can be sometimes a little bit painful if you do rub your eye. And then some of us do like chili, so that can be a no. Something that I found that has been a little bit more effective is to add a couple of drops of your favorite essential oil into your clear nail polish bottle. For me, it could be lavender, I don't know, a citrus oil or rosemary oil, something that you know will automatically trigger your brain. I done the garlic when I was a little bit younger, and I think it's fun, it's effective, and just find and play and see what's right for you. The second trick is Manicure Mania. It is a little harder to bite your nails when you do have nail polish on them. At least for me, when I've bit my nails, I've never swallowed or ingested my nails or anything. I kind of just bite my nails and spit it out. It sounds so gross, right? Because it is. That's why we're trying to stop this. When I did have nail polish on my nails, it was a little bit more difficult, I think, to enjoy my nail biting process, because I had to peel off the nail polish and, you know, really commit to trying to get to my nail. So the whole point of this is to go see a manicurist. Go get a manicure every week or every other week, and that can really help you, because it's kind of like somebody's gonna be holding you accountable. This lady who constantly talks shit about you in a different language, she's gonna be holding you accountable for this habit. So in a way that works too. Some of us feel a little self-conscious about going to the nail salon. I did for a really long time because I didn't. How uncomfortable I felt with these manicurists talking a different language and laughing and pointing at my nails and getting my hand and showing it to the other manicurists across the room. And so I kind of stopped going to a manicurist for a while, and I just did my own manicures here at home. But the whole point of it was to just keep the polish on my nails. Again, the polish was important because I didn't want to bite my nails with polish on them. Alright, now this one is the most obvious one. This one is super important, I think, and you can incorporate this one with the other 2 steps I previously mentioned. What's really important is the mental work that goes into stopping this habit. Something that I told myself was that everything I touched was dirty. I would look at my hands and just imagine them covered in like fungus, or, you know, things like that kind of helped me visualize a little bit more, and helped me really put into perspective as to why I didn't want to bite my nails, or why I shouldn't be biting my nails in the first place. So really think about something that I think grosses you out the most. That's kind of what I had in my mind in order to psych myself out. If you find something that's just as effective, then go for that and think about it. I broke the habit, and sometimes even now I still struggle. There's times where I don't even realize that my hands are in my mouth, and that's when I know, I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to probably paint them or do something to try to not go down that rabbit hole again, because it's real easy. And I know right now I haven't been doing anything, but this is broken. And I know one of my triggers is that if my nail gets caught on, you know, the fabric of, I don't know, my clothes, or it snags on something, that's a huge angry thing for me, and I have to go go in it and fix it. Make sure that everything's smooth and there are no more snags. I just snagged my pants. This nail right now, specifically, this one's broken. I'm eventually gonna clip it, but you see how long I've managed to grow my nails. This has been a course of 3 weeks. So that is it. So those are the only 3 tips I have for you. I hope they work. If there's something I didn't mention or something that didn't make sense, let me know. I mean, sometimes I just ramble and I don't know what I'm saying. Peace. Peace. I think this is gonna be my new sign out, you guys. I'll have to figure that part out, but this feels right, you know? Like, if I had a superhero stance, I think this would be it, you know? This feels right. You guys, I'm gonna go with this for now, okay? Oh shit, oh, my leg fell asleep. My mom, ay mija, esas no son cosas de mujercita. Don't you want to look pretty and wear all the pretty jewelry that your papa makes? My dad, mira, la vida hay que saber cómo disciplinar. My brother, hey fool, whatever makes you happy, dog. Don't listen to what the haters say. It's the law of attraction. If you're thinking you could do it, fuck the haters. My tías, mija, if you keep biting them uñas, you're never gonna get a boyfriend. What's gonna happen when you go and kiss your boyfriend? Spit the nail out? When you go in for the lenguazo, mija? Why? My manicurist. So cute. Look at the baby nail. So cute. I do full set for you. Long nail better, long nail prettier. It's like my worst Angela Johnson impersonation, by the way. Angela Johnson impersonating a Vietnamese woman.